Are you afraid of going live on social media? Don't worry, that's a very normal reaction. But what if I told you that there was nothing to fear? Hi, I'm Jenny, social media expert from Momentum Virtual. And in this video, I will be helping you build your camera confidence so you can overcome your fear of going live on any social media platform. First, let's get into why going live is great for your business and why you should consider doing it. Studies have shown that the number of people viewing live streams has gone up drastically, so your audience is already craving a live from you. In addition to that, it provides a great way for you to connect with your audience in real time and provide valuable information to them. So let's say you've seen all the benefits of going live, but you're still afraid to get in front of the camera. You may not like how you look or how you sound, or maybe you just don't know what to say. You're not alone. Many people struggle with the same problem, but don't let your fears make you miss out on a great opportunity. So when it comes to going live, the first thing you have to be aware of is that you are your own worst critic. You're much more likely to have a problem with how you look and sound than your audience. They are going to be more interested in what you're saying. If it'll make you feel better, there's nothing wrong with putting on whatever you need to feel comfortable, but you don't need a whole hair and makeup team to do a live stream. Just think back to the last video you watched. I guarantee that you don't remember what the person in the video was wearing or how their hair looked. At the end of the day, as long as you are putting out good quality content, it really does not matter how you look. The next tip I have for you to help you overcome your fear is that you can practice. You can practice in front of a mirror, or if you're going live on Facebook, before you even start the live, you can change the privacy setting to only me. Doing this will give you a good idea of how to work the technical aspects of a live and help you adjust what needs to be adjusted for the real thing. You can also record yourself on your camera or phone to get the hang of being in front of the camera to make the transition to going live much easier. Another tip is to prepare. Now, that doesn't mean that you need a full-blown script as you might have with a pre-recorded video, but having your main points written down can come in handy. You can even come up with a structure to help keep you focused. Having this written down will keep you on topic and jog your memory in case you freeze up or forget what you were going to say. I actually suggest not writing out a full script for a live video, as your audience might see it as ingenuine. Lives are a time for you to really connect with your audience. You wouldn't write out a conversation before you go meet a friend for dinner, right? If your main fear is that you simply don't know what to say, that's where research comes in. You have to get to know your audience, know what they like, what they dislike, what problems they have that you can offer solutions to. Finally, if your live has hundreds of people and it feels like a public speaking class all over again, just pretend like you're talking to one person. And remember, the first few times you go live, you probably won't have many people on anyways. So you'll have time to practice and get a good flow before you start having hundreds of people show up. And one last thing, if you mess up, it's not the end of the world. Your audience knows you're human and that they're seeing you in real time, so they'll understand. We had a live one time where we were over 15 minutes late due to a power outage. So when we started the live, the first thing we did was apologize and explain what happened. That live had more views on it than the previous 3 lives combined, all because we showed our real side and we showed that we are not perfect. If you're ready to integrate lives as a part of your marketing plan, but you're a little camera shy, just do it. Practice and get prepared. I promise you'll be fine. Going live on social media is a great tool for business owners to engage with their audience and provide important information in a cost-effective way. Don't let your fears stop you from reaping the rewards of this great tool. If you have more questions about how to implement videos or lives into your marketing, don't hesitate to schedule a consultation with us. We would love to give you personalized advice to help you and your business thrive.